Welcome back to another video, or welcome to your first video. Those that are new, those that have been here for a while will know that I've been making some energy metering power meters, and I get a lot of emails about them and people need help with them. So I'm going to try and get back into try and get back into building energy meters, and I'm going to try and get power quality working now that I'm getting more into it. But to do that, I need to create the volts and the current that I measure. So first, before I get into those, I'm going to make an easy or semi-easy power generation system that can generate my volts and the current, and I'll show you what I've built so far. Alright, sweet. So what this board does is, down here in this little side here, it creates 50 hertz or a variable frequency sine wave. So if I want to adjust the frequency, I just adjust these two trim pots, and what actually happens is up here, those two pins on the right, and there's two pins on the left. The two pins on the right is the oscillation circuit coming in. Pins on the left is where the oscillations have to start, and it goes into these these op amps. And what actually happens is I can adjust this to trim, and that changes the delay of the signal, and I do that for 1 stage, 2 stage, 3 stage, and that gives me out up here is a switch for the currents. So if I want one side, because I can only do 0 to 180 on each of these, so it goes in and out twice, and I switch between there and there. Okay, so I'll link in the description, I'll give you a link to the drawing where it makes more sense. Okay, so and then it goes through, comes out of here into these op amps, not op amps, what am I talking about? Into these Class D amplifiers. Alright, so from these amplifiers it's going to go to transformers, and those transformers will step up. So currently I'm not up to that stage yet. I've just got feeding into the amplifiers for the voltage. The current I haven't got hooked up, but the current goes into this over here. These are resistors, so it's just like simulates like a load, and that load goes through these current transformers, and I use these current transformers to step the current up. But I'm looking for a better way of getting cores than what I've got, and then we should see what happens. I'll show you the output on the meter. So you can see the 3 phases coming out of the power amplifiers for the voltage. Yep. If you would like to follow along, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. This was just a quick video to show you what I'm up to, or what I'm doing. Once I've got a more permanent setup, I will show you how to build one.